All right, this one says 5 divided by x plus 10 equals 0. Remember, we always start with our parentheses, but can we do 5 divided by x? No, we can't. So our next step is to remember, we want x's alone, and we want numbers on one side. So we're gonna first move this 10. So we're gonna do minus 10, because it's addition. The opposite of addition is subtraction. We always do the opposite. So we cross that out. What we do to the left, we do to the right. So we got to do 0 minus 10. And that gives us 5 divided by, not a division sign. Okay, so it gives us 5 divided by x. Sorry about my writing, guys. Equals negative 10. So we have 5 divided by x equals negative 10. Because 0 minus 10 is negative 10, because 0 is smaller than 10. So there's always a negative when it's smaller. So we have this thing where we're doing 5 divided by x. Remember, that also looks like 5 over x. So that equals negative 10. We can't multiply by x's, but we can think of this as a fraction. So this would be equivalent to 5 over 1. X equals negative 10. So since we're doing division, the opposite of that is multiplication. So we can times it by the opposite fraction. So we can times it by 1 over 5. And that gives us 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So we get 5 over 5, which gives us 1x. So we can cancel out the fraction. We're just left with the x. What we do to the left, we must do to the right. So we multiplied the left by 1/5. We have to multiply the right by 1/5. So now, and I'm going to put it over here, you get x is equal to negative 10 times 1/5. So you get negative 10 times 1/5. So that's the same as negative 10 over 1 times 1 over 5. So we get x is equal to, multiplied across, so negative 10 times 1 is negative 10. 1 times 5 is 5. So negative 10 over 5. We simplify that by dividing, so we get x. I know 10 divided by 5 is 2. Got to keep that negative, so x equals negative 2. So your answer should be B.